Have you ever wanted to know whether you could make sprouts without any special sprouting utensils? Well, let's come to have the experiment with us. We are going to sprout lentils and mung beans. First of all, we are going to wash our beans 3 times. Everything we wash for Krishna, we wash 3 times. And I want to say that you can sprout pretty much everything, but be careful with different kinds of beans because there might be poisonous at some stages of the sprouting. So for example, don't sprout kidney beans. But lentils and mung beans are safe, and we are going to show you how we are going to do it. So after washing, we are going to add a fair amount of water. Use a fair amount because the lentils will grow a little and we don't want them to be dry. And then we let them soak overnight or 24 hours. It depends a little bit on the season and the place where you are in the world. And now you can see how they grew. They changed the size after 24 hours of soaking. And we are going to strain the extra water out of them. We are going to strain them and let them strain for maybe 10-15 minutes to get the extra water out. And then we put them in the dry bowl or anything really that can be covered with a lid. And then after that, we are waiting for them to sprout. So because they will be covered with the lid, we don't have to worry about the moisture. The moisture will be just perfect like this. And in the summer, in Central Europe, that's where we are in Czech Republic, Central Europe, it only takes 24 hours. In the winter, it might take 3 or 4 days, or they might even not sprout. So after 24 hours, we come to take a look at them again. And you can see they are already sprouted. The lentils are not huge, but they will work for cooking. And the mung beans are actually grown excessively. And then you can use them for cooking for Krishna, or you can just store them in the fridge. Thank you for watching.